But soft.
I know.
Oh.
Okay.
Put down the piece of paper.
No, this is a grading procedure. But soft line.
What light?
What light through window break? The east. Juliet is the sun. Kill that envious moon. Line.
Who is already?
What's the one?
Wait, what's the line again? What you
Who is already?
Who is already? Line.
Or who is already sick?
Who is already sick? Just kind of just read the paper. You get it.
No, try.
Line.
Who is already sick? No, you
Sick.
do the next one. And fail.
Fail.
That's the whole line, basically.
Sick and fail. Glove of hand. Discouraging eyes. Yeah, discouraging eyes. No, I'm too low to know that. I am too low to know that of her discouraging eyes. And then after that, forget.
Alright, please read
Okay.
But soft what light through yonder window breaks. It is east and Juliet is the sun. Arise first sun and kill the envious moon, who is already sick and pale with grief. That thou her maid art far more fair than she. Is my lady, always my love. Oh that she knows she were. She speaks yet she says nothing. What of that? Her eye discourages. I will answer, I am too low, 'tis not to me she speaks. See how she leans her cheek upon her hand, although I wear a glove upon that hand, that I might touch that cheek.